Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. Fishing up the last Tesla Y for today. This one's all white, obviously, with a gloss wrap, XPEL Ultimate Plus, and the tint is the XR Plus. That seems to be all we use anymore. It's the highest in infrared rejection. Right now, there's nothing better, and this was a full wrap on this one. I think it was the week of the white Tesla Y. We had a few of them in here, but here we go, just walking around it so you can see, and I'll get in real close. It's just like the earlier one I showed in white, was almost identical to this car. Matter of fact, I think it was the same wheels too. But everything getting wrapped. Biggest area inside these light bezels. Do a lot of wrapping in there. Getting inside these trunk lids, the front trunk, and then coming around inside the fender to the lights, up in here around, whoop, let me back up around in here. The A-pillars coming around this back side. So inside those doors, all the doors were wrapped, all the sides of the door were wrapped. No gaps up top here. So if you got your job done somewhere and they didn't wrap inside those moldings of the door, take a look at ours. We always wrap inside here, inside each edge of the door, and then also on the bottom. And let's come around to the front bumper. It's wrapped in, no lines, everything goes in nicely. Everything nice and tight. That's it. Nice and tight around the cameras, and especially around these the black fender flares around the wheel. Nothing gapped around there. Everything's wrapped inside this area. And there we go. I think that's about it for this guy. Checking the edge here on this light. Everything's good. We're always checking them. Make sure everything's nice before they go. And everything looks great. Hatch is great. This one we also removed the fin on the back, the spoiler. Nice seam. It's actually seam. We didn't do the one piece. The one piece is an additional charge. We can do this whole hatch in one continuous piece to avoid the seam here, but the way I seam it, you can't see it. There you go. The seam is right here. And we seam it very nicely by removing the spoiler. We don't put them back on. These folks go back to Tesla to get that handled. It's just the spoiler's not the best design on the car, unfortunately. We know Tesla does a lot of great things, but that rear spoiler does not fit well at all on any of these cars. So there you go, Tesla Model Y 2020, XPEL Ultimate Plus and Gloss, XR Plus window film for the cabin area. Nothing on the moonroof, nothing on the windshield. And there it is, XPEL paint protection film, the best available. Thank you, ClearBrawNorthDallas.com.